Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the sound. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard the sound before, because one L makes the sound, and so does two. But today, we're going to be focusing on this sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? Excellent. Now, when we use this sound, it's usually in the middle of the word or the end of a word. So I wonder what's going to be in my magic box today. Let's have a look and see. Oh, I found a shell. Can you hear the sound at the end of shell? Shell. Shell. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a gull. Can you hear the sound at the end of gull? Gull. Gull. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a llama. Now, I know I usually said this sound is at the middle or the end, but this time it's at the beginning. Can you say llama? Llama. Llama. Excellent. So, llama, gull, and shell all use the sound. Now, we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write two letter L's. So, we start at the top, we go down, little flick, and again, start at the top, down, little flick. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get our magic fingers ready, give them a big shake and a wiggle, give your shoulders a big roll, and remember you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? And start at the top, down, little flick. Start at the top, down, little flick. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, down, little flick. Start at the top, down, little flick. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is dull. My turn first. D-a-l. Dull. Your turn. Dull. My turn again. D-a-l. Dull. Your turn. Dull. Excellent. Our next word today is fill. My turn first. F-I-L. Fill. Your turn. Fill. Excellent. My turn again. F-I-L. Fill. Your turn. Fill. Well done. And our last word today is bell. My turn first. B-E-L. Bell. Your turn. Bell. My turn again. B-E-L. Bell. Your turn. Bell. Excellent. Well done, you've worked really hard today and should be so proud of yourself. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the sound. I'll see you again soon. Bye!